Today, the students of class 8C are going to represent an e-assembly on conservation of energy. Energy cannot be recycled or destroyed. It may change form, but the amount remains the same. So I would like you all to join your hands and close your eyes for Gayatri Mantra. For the day.
How rich or poor you are, always switch off the lights and fan when you go far.
Thanks, Vasi. Now my friend Twinkle and Vishnu will tell you the speech.
It is essential for each and every citizen of India to be aware of how to use efficient energy, how to save the energy for their own future safety, and many more ways. In order to support the energy efficiency, the Government of India has implemented certain rules, regulations, and policies which need to be followed by the citizens of India. They can pay their direct contribution to the campaign to reduce energy use throughout the 11th 5-year plan period. Children are one of the big expectations and hope for the country to bring positive changes as well as to improve the economic being of the country.
The actual meaning of energy conservation is to avoid unnecessary use of energy, to use at least energy so that energy sources can be saved for future uses. In order to make energy conservation plan more effective, every person should include energy conservation in their behavior. That is how the National Energy Conservation Day came into being. Fossil fuels, crude oil, coal, natural gas and etc. generate sufficient energy for use in daily life, but increasing the demands of it day by day creates the fear of reducing or diminishing the natural resources. The only way in replacing the non-renewable resources of energy with the renewable energy is energy conservation.
नमस्कार, मैं 8वीं सी से प्रणव नायर आप सभी के समक्ष राष्ट्रीय ऊर्जा संरक्षण दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। आशा करता हूँ आप सभी को पसंद आएगा। पानी और कोयले से हम बिजली खूब बनाते और रोशन करके घर को चमचम चमचमकाते। डीजल या पेट्रोल डाल हम वाहन खूब चलाते, कारों से लेकर बाइक तक सड़कों पर दौड़ाते। बच्चों, अणु परमाणु आदि भी बिजली लगे बनाने, लेकिन ये सब घातक होते सारा जग पहचाने। मिल, ऑफिस या सड़कें गलियां, बिजली सबको प्यारी, बिजली नहीं तो रुक जाती है इस जीवन की गाड़ी। जनसंख्या बढ़ने के कारण बोझ बढ़ रहा भारी, फ्रिज, एसी, कंप्यूटर, जीबी खाते बिजली सारी। बिजली के ये साधन सीमित, इसको समझो भाई, आज अभी से इन्हें बचाओ, चाहो अगर भलाई। बच्चों आओ अब हम तुमको एक बात बतलाते, होता नहीं खत्म ये बिजली ऐसा राज बताते। सूरज और हवा ये दोनों बिजली खूब बनाते, कारों से लेकर एसी तक सबको खूब चलाते। इनसे अगर बनाते बिजली नहीं प्रदूषण होता, धरती हरी भरी रहती कभी कुछ नहीं खोता। सूरज और हवा से लेकर बिजली खूब बनाओ, यह असीम बिजली के साधन अब इनको अपनाओ। धन्यवाद।
Conservation starts with C. Did you know that it really starts with you? No matter where you get the energy you use, it's better to use less of it excess of it. 'Cause the world needs a lot. And although we've got a good amount to share, it's better to save it so we'll have more to spare. You can see conservation starts with C. Did you know that it really starts with you? At home you really should turn off the light when no one's in the room, and use compact fluorescent bulbs at night. This power they consume. Ride a bike, don't take the car. But if you have to drive there, carpool when going near or far. Save gas and still arrive there. You can see conservation starts with C. But did you know that it really starts with you? You can see that conservation starts with C. But did you know that it really starts with you? And if one day you find yourself designing a new factory or dwelling, you'll want to make it energy saving. The reasons are compelling. However you decide to do it, whatever your methodology, nobody's gonna say that you blew it if you do it with green technology. You can see that conservation starts with C. But did you know that it really starts with you? You can see that conservation starts with C. But did you know that it really starts with you? Did you know that it really starts with you? Did you know that it really starts with you? Did you know that it really starts with you?
Request you all to join your hands and close your eyes for Sanskrit prayer.
ॐ भगवते नमः। ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ पितृभ्यां नमः। ॐ मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हो।